why I look so strange and how it is connected with change process? Watch my video. Hi, I'm Aldona Blondin, founder of ABCC Positive Change Management Company, and I help managers and employees, but also private people, to cope with the change process in the smart and positive way. As example for this, I have one question for you. It happens sometimes when the change is announced to you that the center mechanism is activated in your head. Means we tend in this moment to compare the new proposal, new solution with our experience and our knowledge. And this kind of comparison actually that drives us to some critical perspective, and this critical perspective generates so-called voice of judgment. What I mean specifically? Well, how it sounds to you? It doesn't make any sense. Or for instance, I don't see how it will work. And these voices of judgments, once they start to appear in our head, they have very specific feature. Very quickly and amazingly, they are stick to our brain, like that. And voila, that voices of judgment arrive and they are really stuck to my head. And really, with them, it's very difficult to be open for the change, to see wider perspective, to be engaged and to make any progress. Yeah, it's very challenging. So what to do? First, ouch. So first, it is important to realize that they are coming and they might happen with us. And comparing the new solution with our experience and knowledge is nothing wrong, provided that these voices of judgment, they are not fixed very much to our head, because really to remove them, it is ouch. It is really a little bit sometimes painful and complicated. During my workshop, I help managers and employees to open their mind, their heart and their will for the change. And I'm very curious, what kind of strategy to adapt when we are facing these voices of judgment would you recommend? I prepared a small survey. Please select one of the proposals, or also feel free to share your opinion in the comments. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.